Icosapent ethyl is used in combination with certain other cholesterol medications to lower the risk of heart attack, stroke, and certain types of heart problems that require hospital treatment. It is also used with a proper diet to help lower fats, triglycerides, in the blood. Icosapent ethyl is a type of omega-3 fatty acid found in fish oil and is thought to work by decreasing the amount of triglycerides made by the body. In addition to eating a proper diet, other lifestyle changes that may help this medication work better include exercising, losing weight if overweight, and stopping smoking. It's essential to consult your doctor for more details. As for daily dosage and timing, it's best to follow your doctor's recommendation for the optimal timing of intake. Before starting Icosapent ethyl, it's important to read the patient information leaflet from your pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth with food, usually twice a day, as directed by your doctor. Swallow the capsules whole, and do not crush, chew, open, or dissolve them. It's crucial not to substitute other omega-3 fatty acids or fish oil products without consulting your doctor first, as they may not contain the same amount and type of fatty acids. Take this medication regularly at the same times each day to get the most benefit from it, even if you feel well. Remember to continue following your doctor's advice about diet and exercise to maximize the benefits of Icosapent ethyl. Some possible side effects of Icosapent ethyl 1 gram capsule Lipotropics Miscellaneous may include joint/muscle pain or constipation. If these effects persist or worsen, it's essential to inform your doctor or pharmacist promptly. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Many people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's crucial to notify your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, such as fast/irregular heartbeat, easy bruising/bleeding, or swelling in the ankles/feet/hands. While it's rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug is possible. Seek medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Please note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you experience any other effects not mentioned here, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before starting Icosapent ethyl, it's important to let your healthcare provider know if you have any allergies, especially to fish or shellfish products. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions, so it's important to discuss any concerns with your pharmacist. It's also important to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have liver disease or irregular heartbeat. If you are planning to have surgery, it's crucial to disclose all the medications you are currently using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products, to your doctor or dentist. If you are pregnant, it's important to discuss the risks and benefits of using Icosapent ethyl with your doctor before starting the medication. For those who are breastfeeding, it's important to consult with your doctor before using this medication. When taking Icosapent ethyl 1 gram capsule Lipotropics Miscellaneous, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions, as they can affect how your medications work and increase your risk for serious side effects. It's essential to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines, always seek your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Icosapent ethyl 1 gram capsule Lipotropics Miscellaneous. If someone has taken too much Icosapent ethyl and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. It's important not to share your Icosapent ethyl 1 gram capsule with anyone else. It's also important to have regular lab and medical tests, especially to check your cholesterol and triglyceride levels, while you are taking this medication. Make sure to keep all your medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details on how to best monitor your health while taking this medication. If you forget to take a dose of Icosapent ethyl 1 gram capsule, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Take your next dose at the usual time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to store Icosapent Ethyl 1 gram capsule at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. When you no longer need it or when it's expired, be sure to properly dispose of it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.